In this video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT keeps repeating responses. Simply open ChatGPT. Now in the chat command, write do not repeat the previously stated points and send it. And even after that, if it still keeps repeating it, what you can do is in the top right corner, you can see these three dotted lines, and right beside it, you can see this new chat icon. Click on it. Now in the new chat thread, simply start the conversation again and put in the prompt. Now the next thing that you can do is click on these two lines right beside get plus in the left top corner. Then click on your profile at the bottom of the screen. Then click on memory. Then click on memory summary. Then click on these three dotted lines in the top right again. Then click on delete and turn off memory. Confirm it. Then you can go back and try chatting again. One more thing that you can try is click and hold on to ChatGPT. Click on more features. Then go to app info. Then force stop. Confirm it. Then go to storage uses and click on clear cache written in bright red. After that, try to relaunch the app. And even after that, if you keep getting repeated responses, what you can do is instead of the app, you can simply open Chrome. In the search bar, search for ChatGPT. Then from here, you can start chatting. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.